We've now reached that final level, creating. At this point, it's no longer just about understanding, applying, or evaluating a message. Now, we use all of that previous work to build something new. Creating and interpreting means you don't just reproduce the message exactly as it was. Instead, you adapt it, transform it, and turn it into a resource with added value. This could be to teach, to mentor, to experiment, or even to reach a completely different audience. The way we can apply to interpreting is by doing the following. Take the original message and transform it. Adapt it to fit a different context. Include elements like form and intention to create something new for education, for training, and that culturally fits. Interpreters can use this as a base to teach, to support others, to evaluate something with a new focus. The goal is to advance higher and have a depth in the interpreting work, not simply copying the message, but something with added value. We can think of an example. You can change something that you've already interpreted and create a resource for a workshop. Or you can adapt a message for a younger audience. Ensure that you keep the original impact. You can design an activity for hands-on practice. Something for other interpreters to rely on a resource and use it. The idea is not to change the context or the original message, but to add creativity and a new focus. Bring the message to life for a new purpose. Here's an example. Take a message you've already interpreted, adapt it for a completely different audience or situation. Change the format. If it was a long conference talk, make it into a short video. If it was a dialogue, turn it into a visual presentation. And then notice, how did the delivery shift? And how did the impact shift? Finally, make your final reflection. What can I create from my work as an interpreter that benefits others and also strengthens my own skills? That is a level of creating, using interpretation as a foundation to innovate, to share, and to leave a lasting impact.